Many people struggle with setting goals while others experience challenges achieving their goals. If you are one of these people, this video is for you. Today I'll talk to you about how to set goals and share practical tips that can help you to achieve those goals. Successful people set goals. Everything you want to achieve in your personal or professional life starts with goal setting. Whether it's achieving financial freedom, career success, or achieving a desired dream, it starts with setting clear goals. In this video, I'll walk through a goal setting exercise, and by the end of the video, we'll have a goal and a clear plan to achieve the goal. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about why goals are important. Goals give your life direction and the motivation to keep going even when you experience challenges. Goals are the GPS for your dreams and aspirations, guiding you to your desired destination. Big or small, goals help us to stay focused and motivated. When it comes to goal setting, you probably heard of SMART goals. This means your goals must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break this down using an example. Let's assume that my goal is to post 2 videos on this channel every week between now and December 31 next year. Is this goal specific? Let me know in the comment section below. S in SMART represents specific. When you are setting your goals, you want to be crystal clear about what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, specify how much money you want to make a day, a week, a month, or a year. You can say, I want to make $1 million a day in cash flow by the end of this year. Cash flow in this case means money that you are left with after paying all the expenses. The letter M in SMART means your goal must be measurable. In my example, posting 2 videos a week is measurable. When setting goals, you want to make sure you can track your progress. When it comes to goal setting, numbers are your friends. If a goal is measurable, you can easily tell if you have achieved the goal or not. In my case, if I post 1 video next week, that means I failed to meet my goal of 2 videos per week. Moving on to letter A in SMART. The letter A represents achievable. If I say I want to post 2,000 videos on this channel per week, that's probably unrealistic and not achievable unless I hire a lot of people to create and post videos on my behalf. So you want your goals to be realistic. Setting unrealistic goals can be discouraging and result in you doing nothing. You want each goal to be challenging but something you can realistically achieve. The letter R in SMART represents relevant. Your goal should matter to you. Make sure it aligns with your purpose, your values, and your aspirations. If, for example, I say my goal is to obtain a PhD in the next 3 years, that's not a relevant goal for me because right now I have zero desire to go back to school. Moving on to the last letter in SMART, the letter T. T represents time-bound. Your goal must have a deadline. A deadline creates a sense of urgency and pushes you to take action. In my example, December 31 next year is my goal deadline. Instead of saying someday I'll make $1 million, you can say I'll make $1 million by December next year. So that's how you create smart and clear goals. Now let's talk about tips to achieve those goals, because at the end of the day, the reason for setting goals is to achieve them. Tip number 1 is write down your goals. Writing your goals down is like making a promise to yourself. It reinforces your commitment and helps you remember what you are working towards. A research study by Dr. Gail Matthews found that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve their goals than those who don't. Keep your goals written where you can see them daily. Seeing your goals daily is a motivation in itself. The next tip to achieving your goals is to break your goals down into smaller, manageable activities. Large goals can be overwhelming. As you complete the small activities, you are getting closer to achieving your big goal. In my example, I can break down my goal into 2 activities. Record 1 video every Friday and Monday. If I consistently record a video on those 2 days, I will have 2 videos to post every week. In order to achieve your goals, you want to create an action plan. This is where you write down the steps you need to take. Having a clear plan keeps you on track. Your plan needs to answer questions like, what's my first move and what comes next? In my goal of 2 videos per week, it starts with researching content that people want to watch. While at it, please do me a favor and let me know in the comment section below what content you want me to cover in future videos. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. After researching the topic, my next step is to write the video script and then record the video. In order to drastically increase your chances of achieving your goals, you need an accountability partner. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or a mentor. They can provide encouragement and hold you accountable. A report by Michigan State University noted that 76% of people who share their goals with someone achieve their goals. But be careful who you share your goals with. Naysayers and negative people will likely tell you that you are over-ambitious and cannot achieve your goals. Another tip to help you achieve your goals is to be flexible. Challenges and setbacks will come, and you must be ready to adjust your plan if needed. Persistence is the key to achieving any goal. You must keep pushing forward and don't give up, especially when it gets harder. While working on your goals, don't forget to celebrate progress. Don't wait until you achieve the big goal to celebrate. Even the small wins along the way are worth celebrating. Celebrating the small wins keeps you motivated. So there you have it, folks. Your guide on how to set goals and achieve them. With SMART goals, a clear plan, and an accountability partner, you can make every dream and every goal a reality. As always, keep dreaming, keep achieving. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.